right.
Okay, here we go.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. All right, here we go. Part one.
They're still waiting on them to bring the steps, so be careful getting up there.
Thank you guys.
All right.
You want this? This is where you want it?
All right, here we go. Part one. 4 kicks forward. All right. Well, I'm trying to get the feedback now. So, part one, it's got 4 parts. It's something really easy. So the first part, you're gonna dip up 4 times, roll back on the
Maybe y'all need to stand up there.
try that.
Because they won't. Can you turn your side?
All right.
You don't need to do it.
All right. All right. Here we go. We're gonna dip it up. 4, start on the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up right dip. Up left dip. Up right dip. Up left dip. All right. Roll back to the right. Roll back to the right. And we're gonna swirl the left back and forward. Back and up. Let's just try that roll. If y'all got it, give us a hey. If you don't, but we just at the top. We're in this is 9 notes, but from the top, take it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right dip, left dip, right dip. Roll back on the right, swirl the left back and up. Roll back on the left, swirl the right back and up. That's the end of part 1. We're finished with part 1. Let's do it twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up right and left and right and left. Roll back on the right. Back left, up left, back left. Back right, up right, dip right. And left and right and left. Roll back on the right. Back left, up left, back on the left. Back right, up right. Good. Part 1 is done. Everybody good? Excellent. One more time. One more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right dip. Left dip. Right dip. Left dip. Roll back on the right. Take the left, back and up. Roll back left. Right, back and up. Right? Alright. Yeah, we're doing this one. Alright, that's good. Part 2. We're going to run up 4 quick steps. There's like half of them is quick. So just go up. Right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Now take the right back and back. Back, in, back. So right goes back and left. Take it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, and right. Is that good? What happens if I come back up here? Alright, you got us? Good, thank you. Alright, let's try that again. Part 2. Running up 4 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, back, in, back. Step back right, sailor, back, left, sailor. That's the end of part 2. Let's do that twice. Run it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, back, and back, right, left, right, left, back, and back, right, sailor, left, sailor on the right. How y'all feel? One more time. Slowing it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, and right, back, right. Left, right, back, left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Better? All right. So we did part 1 and 2. Let's do part 3. Yeah, we'll do part 3. We'll do the first part of the music. Part 3. Now lean it right, lean it left. 4 of your goals to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, back, left. Left, right, left. Now step up right and roll. 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 All right. We're good? Everybody feel good? Let's do the first part. We'll do the first part of the music. For this part on. 5, 6, on the right, and left, and right. Roll back on the right, swirl the left, back and up. Roll back on the left, swirl the right, back and up. Do that again, dip it up. 2, 3, 4. Roll back right, back left again. Roll back left. Run it up, here we go. Right, left, back, left, left. Do that again. Right, left, back, right. And left. Then you right. Right, left, back, left. Left, back, right. Roll. And roll. All right, good, very good. Last part of the dance. We gotta learn the chorus. So let's do the chorus. We're gonna cross, then we're gonna face in. So we're gonna cross in, out, roll right, left, right, forward, turn, cross, in, cross, out, roll right, left, right, forward, turn, cross, in, cross, out, roll right, left, right, forward, turn, cross, in, cross, out, roll right, left, right, forward, turn. And that's actually the whole dance, y'all. We did the whole dance. Only thing after this is just rotation. So